Hello people, we're gonna see the trade breakdown which I took today, the Nasdaq and YM as well. Probably I took somewhat SL, yeah, some kind of a SL today, which is basically I don't know what the fuck to read and how to read the place today because it's pretty decoupled, right? See here, 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. ended up with a bearish move in Nasdaq, and it's pretty opposite in YM as well. It's a fucking bullish. So we should fucking find either one asset is a original direction, and we should find that fucking leading asset, and we are going to trade that lagging asset into that leading asset, right? See what the price is telling us in a daily candle. Simply, Afiz is a good trader, the Lazarus mentor. Okay, he used to framed his trade today, which is basically a lows SMT with a strength which SMT two stage at lows. Okay, which is probably a high probable. This is stage one and this is stage two, and in Nasdaq it's quite opposite as like that. Doesn't soup and it gets soup. It's two stage, right? It's a fucking pretty two stage. And I shot at the low of the day. What? I shot at the low of the day, which is how I don't know whether price will return from this level to the level as well. Once I came into this market, I saw this two stage at highs as these SMT with the PSP, and see these SMT. These 2 a.m. candles high doesn't even took in Nasdaq, and it's took in a YM. And how Office framed his trade by these daily lows SMTs as well to trade higher, and basically aware in this direction with the pace of price as a expansion. See, expansion, expansion, retracement, expansion. See, that's how I read the price today. But I failed today to find out the reversal. Okay, this is a fucking reversal. Once I saw this two stage at highs in a 4 hour, I went in a 15 minute. It's a fucking 10 a.m. open in Nasdaq and in YM as well. I thought this is a trend switch. See, this 10 a.m. candle doesn't soup in a 10:15 in a YM, and this 10 a.m. candle soup within a YM. Okay, and one thing you guys want to notice how I shorted this. I shorted this as here in the 9:30 9:45 move. If I'm not wrong, yeah, I probably shorted this. Seriously, I'm saying. I stopped it right there. I shorted this towards 2 hour. This is a fucking pretty bullshit framework, ever. This is a fucking pretty bullshit framework ever I've been used to trade the market. But one thing, see guys, what the 4 hour candle is saying to us. See, this 4 hour candle has been swept in this candle. 6 a.m. low swept in a 10 a.m. 6 a.m. low doesn't even swept in a 10 a.m. It's a stage one. We already had a two stage at lows, but this is also a stage, one stage, okay. And the one thing you guys wanted to notice, see how the fucking price telling I'm going to switch my strength. If you have a fucking guts to catch me, you can. See here, this 50 minute lows, 9:45 lows swept in a Nasdaq and closed as a fucking bullish in a 15 minute. Okay, in YM it doesn't even took this lows. 9:45 doesn't even took this 10 a.m. lows and closes as a bearish move. It's telling us to it's changing a strength, and we going to catch that fucking move. Once I went take took this loss, I know this fucking market will change their direction towards up at least to daily opens. If I'm not wrong, at least daily opens. Where is it? 10 a.m. low, 10 a.m. Okay. In these cases, in these scenarios of time, middle asset will fucking perform a good. Middle asset will never fail to perform at these times. Okay, it doesn't even took these lows and it closes as a bullish stance which happened between Nasdaq and YM, but the middle asset will also performance every time a single time a good. Okay, where is the daily open? It's right here. Okay, that's how the price telling us to react. Okay, this is a framework which have been traded and took the loss as a short, and I know this market will turn around there, but I'm a bit confused with the phase of price. It's expanded retracement, expanded retracement, consolidation, expansion, retracement. Then I thought how the fuck price will reverse from here, but somewhat yeah, it's a kind of, it's telling us to reverse with the sign of a strength switch, right? We've been using GXT to trade these frameworks in the market, and what the fuck with us to understand what's the price telling us? It's literally a bad thing, right? Yeah, it's telling us the price is going to reverse from here. It is the strength which happened even in a 30 minute. It swooped this low and closed as a bullish in a 10 a.m. Doesn't even swoop this low and close as a bearish in a 10 a.m. And we got a two stage at here as well. Okay, two stage. Okay, the same fucking two stage everywhere, every fucking time frame. Okay, what's the time? What's the time? Is this the, sorry, this is the 10:30 to 11, right? 10:30 to 11, 10:30 to 11, 11. Where is the 11 fucking candle? Yeah, it's 11. Once we closed up till this bullish, our trade must be right here with our stops at 10:30 lows. 10:30, 10:30 lows. Yeah, this consultation. We should trade up to fucking 12. You see how the price reacting from here. Swings is swing lows SL. Once price tap daily open, it gives us a retracement and it gets went back here. I wanted to do a lot of work about these fucking type of reversals and where all the strengths which going to occurs and what kind of a time frames to watch must, like this is a fucking I don't know, this is a, maybe this is a pre NFP day, tomorrow is a fucking NFP as well, but yeah, this is a kind of stuff I didn't took today, but I end up with a red in today. Sometimes the market will give us a fucking treatment, guys. We don't ever have a single thought about that as a prayer, but it always fuck you. It always fuck you ever has been it did before it. Okay. That's the day which I will took the loss as well. I predicted this move as gold to fell. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this. 18. I catch it up right here, and somewhat the SL has always been flirt with me, and the same move. But how the daily candle is going to make this? Yeah, must ever fucking follow the daily framework. If you don't have ever fucking follow the daily framework with the daily expansion candles as a C2, C3 in a daily, you will ever going to fuck up. I mean, today I'm using a lot of fucking words as a fuck in the middle of the video, but yeah, this is shit. How the market? Yeah, oh bro, what is this fuck? Yeah, we'll speak about now. next video about how I took those trades as well. And until then, bye from sorry.